both of them?
Yeah.
Do I take this off as well? I can't get it out.
Oh, it's painful.
I can't get it.
Get it out. This is his first time. If this isn't a bit of you, I don't know what is.
They're good.
Out of 10.
I imagine if these were cold,
Yeah, they're meant to be in the fridge.
they're like an 8 out of 10 easy. Cold, I reckon we're looking at a 10 out of 10.